Wire harness to connect an aftermarket stereo receiver to select 1978 to 1987 Buick vehicles. Designed specifically to fit the compatible vehicles. Plugs into the factory harness without cutting any wires. Made from OEM quality materials. Connects an aftermarket stereo to the factory radio harnesses. Not compatible with factory amplified systems. Direct connection to the factory harness without cutting any wires. Manufactured with factory quality wire and connectors. Standard color-coded wires for an easier installation. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit to put a new radio in my old Fiero. Fit perfectly and allowed a new radio without having to cut and splice the factory wiring. Was correct for my 1991 S10 base model. Works great. Leads pre-cut, which is nice. My truck didn't have the yellow wire and I tied the yellow IGN wire into the power. It does turn off with truck key still but doesn't remember any features. Not sure if this is harness fault or radio or wiring.